What's up, everyone? Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Maya.
If I like it, then that's what I get. Yeah. I want it, I got it, I want it.
Welcome to the last and final episode of my little moving series. So moving vlog part 3, and then I'm gonna hit you with an apartment tour. If you haven't seen part 1 or 2, or if this is your first video you're ever watching from me, my name is Maya. I'm 19. I go to Howard University, which means I moved to Washington, D.C. I've been here a couple times, hence the whole multiple parts of this vlog. So as you can see, the rest of my things are here, like literally everything, and just the entire apartment is a mess right now. I'm just trying to figure everything out, where I want to put my things, where everything's gonna go in the bathroom. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna be watching Love Island, organizing. Oh my god, I'm literally showing you the room. I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, that's it. So yay. So I think I'm gonna start in my closet and just putting away the things that I know I can hang up, and kind of just having hangers going in that I didn't bring last time. But I have like 200 more hangers in my storage unit, which I definitely need to be able to hang up the rest of my closet. So we're gonna do as much as we can, but I want to get like little storage bins, because I need to hold like bathing suits. I need somewhere to put like my underwear and things like that. I think I want to get a shoe rack. I'm not too sure yet, but I think this episode of the vlog is pretty much just gonna be organizing, getting last little touches, and then apartment tour is the next video. So yay. Gonna be honest with you, I haven't really done much, and I'm already really tired of doing this, and I have a week before classes start, so I have a feeling that I'm gonna end up like just having to organize throughout this next week. But I really don't want to. I kind of just want to have it all done with, but I'm like super tired right now. But it's also early. I think it's only like 11:30, 12 o'clock, so I have like a good amount of time to do this for today and tomorrow too. So far in this drawer, I have like full shirts. These are crop tops. These are gonna be like graphic tees or like shirts with words on them. I have some bodysuits right here, and then this is all of like my Howard shirts. So I actually took a break from organizing my closet. I'm not done by any means. I got one bin empty, but I still have 2 more bins, and then some bags, a few backpacks, but basically there's just a lot more to do. I need to go get a few more hangers. I think I want to get another set of drawers, so I think right now the closet's going to be left alone, and now I'm just moving on to the desk. So I got this little tray thing from Ikea, and I want to put it under here. If it even makes sense though, it might be like annoying to pull it out instead of just having my things like chilling there. I actually have a lot of desk supplies, and I kind of just want to figure it out and see what I have there, just in case I need to get more storage or something. When I go to the store in a second, I can grab it instead of, you know, like stressing later on. So I've been wanting to say this, but I just haven't put out the camera to say it. But I like Ikea because it's affordable. They have like varieties of things, but something that I don't really like is just how complicated the things are to put together. Like this tray that I'm doing right now, I mean, looking at it, it's like, what is there to even do to it? But then you have these, and these are just supposed to be like dividers, so you can like match up the tray to be how you want it. But then it comes with things like this, which is like, what do I do with this? And there's no directions. There's just a picture, so I have no clue. And everything we got was from Ikea. Unfortunately, we had people to put it together, but I have had to put a few things together that were more difficult than this, but this is something so like small, but it's just kind of annoying. So I'm like, Ikea, you're great in every single area except for this part. But it is what it is.
Between me and you, and being in all seriousness, yeah. I couldn't, like, I'm happy it's just happening.
So. Wow, okay. So there is directions. I was being very dramatic. But there's directions, so we're all good. Never mind. Reverse everything I just said again. It's still really complicated. These directions tell me nothing. It literally has a person like with like question mark think bubbles. That's literally me right now. I have like no clue. I'm kind of deciding if I should even still put the like dividers in. But I feel like, I don't know. We'll see. Let me see how much like desk supply things I want to put away and then go from there, I guess. So I kind of like that I'm just gonna put all my like necessities in this like exact drawer. So then this is like a hard drive. When you like do a lot on your laptop, you need hard drives to make sure they don't go slow. Then I have my little connector because I have the newer MacBook and you need these ends. I'm trying to think what else I would put in here. Definitely want to put a pair of glasses, but I don't know if I want to have to use the case. Yes, I do have glasses. These are lightly prescription, but they are blue lens. Wow, they make it like yellowy. But I do want to keep a pair of glasses in here because I'm really bad about wearing them and I do need to wear them. And I think what I'm going to end up doing is literally just pulling this out, sitting it on top of the desk, and then having like all my necessities for my classes and YouTube in here. I actually really like that idea. I have this pencil case. I got this little holder from the Container Store probably like 2-3 years ago, and I love it. It has never budged on me. Well, welcome back. It's the next day. I'm drinking this iced coffee that turned into creamer because I put too much creamer. My parents actually just left probably like 30 minutes ago to an hour ago. And I was so sad. And I always get like it feels like my chest like concaves in every single time I say bye to my parents, but they'll be back and FaceTime and we text in group chats and stuff. So like it's all good, but you know, still sad. But yeah, we are just gonna continue organizing because the next video is about to be an apartment tour and I need to get it together for the apartment tour. But I also just want to get my life together in general because tomorrow's Monday and I want to start a productive week. So yeah, let's just get it together and start this new chapter. And I don't know. Okay, let's continue. Now we can proceed with the organizing montage. So as you can see behind me, it actually turned out really well. I really like this setup. I have never had a shoe organizer that had like the mesh see-through part of it. I've always had the one where you like stick your shoes in the back of it, but I really like this. I have like some sandals, boots, and heels up there, but what I'm thinking is I'm gonna either lay some of the boots out or have the boots up here. If you noticed, I added 2 bins, and then I have some other gray bins I want to add, but then I also have these newer pairs of sneakers that I bought right before school ended. So cute. I have these 3 pairs, and I don't want to take them out of the box yet, but I also don't know how to store them, so I'm not sure where that's gonna go. But this alone is a huge improvement, and I still want to put maybe some sandals up there. Not too sure yet, but I'm actually really happy with how this is coming along. One box complete. Now on to the rest of it. Oh my god, it is crazy how relieved I feel. I've gotten all my clothes away. Amazing. Clear floor. Clear, well, that's going in the bathroom, but clear bed, clear full floor, and then look. Closet, done. So when I first found out I was gonna be moving into an apartment, this was probably the first purchase I made, and these are just clear plastic brown bottles, and it's something that's so small, but it's something that really makes a huge difference to me. I feel like it adds this like luxury look to it, but these were literally probably 20 bucks for a pack of like 12. I have them all throughout the house, so in my brother's room, and they are also in the kitchen and living room. And I'm just gonna be putting my shampoo and conditioner in them. That might have been the hardest thing I've ever done. So I'm about to ration this conditioner and shampoo so that I don't have to refill the bottles again. this is what I'm envisioning for the bathroom. This won't be there. And then I'm not sure where that's gonna go, but probably not there. This is actually from my bathroom that is at home. Well, I guess not my parents' house, but also home. And it's just a little mirrored tray that I got from Home Goods maybe like a year or two ago. These I also got from Home Goods. This is Epsom salt, which is for baths. Sadly, I don't have a bath, but still for the aesthetic. And then in here, I just have Q-tips, and this is soap. All of this was from Home Goods, and then an essential oil diffuser. So like I mentioned, I'm pretty much done putting things away. As far as my bedroom goes, I'm leaving that. But I am gonna eat dinner and then put dishes away. So we're gonna do that. And then I think I'm gonna be done with this vlog. That's gonna bring me to the end of this series. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys followed along for all 3 parts, you are a real one, and I thank you so much. My overall reflection is just that moving is not easy at all. I've obviously never moved states to this capacity, you know, like furniture, my entire closet, you know, everything. And it was really an experience, but you know, hopefully my next move, wherever that may be, and however many years, I don't really know what I'm doing, I just hope that it could be as great as this one, and it's such a good learning experience. All in all, I am super excited for this next chapter, and I'm even more excited that I get to take you guys along with me. I just want to give a super big thanks to my parents, because none of this would have happened without them. I literally could not be living here if my parents weren't on board, if they didn't want to help me out. Also shout out to my brother, because I'm his roommate and I can be bossy. I like things done a certain way, so thankful that he's able to cooperate and put up with me. And I also want to give a big thank you to you guys for watching and sticking along on this little journey, and I'm so excited for the rest of it. But that's gonna bring me to the end of this video. I post every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday at 12 o'clock. Good night, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned. More videos on the way. A lot of better content coming now that we're in an apartment. But okay. All right. Bye. Love you guys.